Once upon a time, high above the earth, lived a little star named Twinkle. Unlike the other stars who shone brightly all night, Twinkle was always sleepy. He'd yawn and blink, his light dimming as the other stars blazed. The other stars teased him, calling him sleepyhead and dozy. Twinkle felt shod. He wished he could stay awake, but his eyelids grew heavy, no matter how hard he tried. One night, a wise old comet zipped past. Seeing Twinkle's sadness, the comet asked, "Why the long-faced little star?" Twinkle confessed his sleepiness. The comet chuckled. "Every star has its own rhythm, Twinkle. Your gentle dimming is just as beautiful as the other's bright shine." The comet explained that Twinkle's soft light was perfect for guiding lost fireflies home. The fireflies loved Twinkle's gentle glow. It was calming and soft, perfect for their night flights. Twinkle felt a warmth spread through him. He wasn't a failure, he was special. He discovered his unique purpose. From that night on, Twinkle still felt sleepy, but he shone his soft light with pride, knowing he was helping the fireflies. The other stars, witnessing Twinkle's newfound confidence, stopped teasing. They understood that every star, no matter how bright or dim, has a special role to play. Twinkle, the sleepy little star, became a symbol of gentle guidance and quiet strength, proving that even in sleepiness, there's beauty and purpose. He learned that being different wasn't bad, it was what made him unique and valuable. He continued his gentle blinking, a comforting beacon for the fireflies below, a testament to the power of self-acceptance and finding one's purpose, however small it may seem.